Hi there, students. To notice or to realise? I've had a question asking me what's the difference between these two. Well, I think to notice means to become aware of something, but especially by observation, by seeing it. Whereas to realise means to become aware of something by using thought or logic. So I noticed my shoes were dirty. I looked at my shoes and I noticed they were dirty. I noticed there was mud on the floor. And then I realised that my shoes were dirty. Okay, so in the first one, I saw that my shoes were dirty. And then in the next one, there was mud on the floor, and the logical thing after thought about that was, my shoes are dirty. So in many ways, these two words are the same. But notice, you notice a situation. But you become aware of a fact. You become aware of a situation. So you notice it by seeing, but you realizing it by understanding it. Yeah? Okay, so notice is visual and realize is more to do with thought. I didn't notice there was no milk. I didn't see when last time I opened the fridge. I didn't realise there was no milk. Maybe I forgot that I used all of the milk last time I made myself a cup of coffee. So, to notice is talking about something visual, whereas realise is talking about mental processes. Notice both of these words are neutral formality and you can use them in any situation. So in an informal conversation, in a formal document, it's nice and easy. So that's the difference. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To notice and to realise.